Hi everyone, welcome you all for this channel. In today's session, let's understand how to calculate goal seeking function using Excel. It is also called required value calculation. In our illustrative example, Mr. X is planning to invest 1 lakh rupees per year in stocks as a systematic investment plan SIP for the period of 20 years, an annual interest rate of 12%. What is the future value at the end of the 20th year? So, and also here he wants to know how much he has to invest every year, that is annuity value, in order to earn 1 crore rupees after 20 years at the same interest rate of 12%. So now the already we discussed about this is a every year is planning to invest 1 lakh rupees, so it comes under constant stream of cash flow or also called annuity 1 lakh rupees, and he has to calculate future value, so this is known as future value of annuity formula. We already previous videos we discussed about how to calculate future value of annuity, and once again I will calculate. So equal to minus fv, right? So double click. Interest rate is 12 percentage. Number of year is 20 years. PMT means every year constant stream of cash flow. Every year he is planning to invest 1 lakh rupees. That is, we have to consider PMT here. So no present value. So we assume that the payments are happening at the end of the period. So enter. So what is according to this? So if we invest 1 lakh rupees every year for another 20th year, with assuming at interest rate of 12 percentage, he will get 72 lakhs 5,244 rupees. But the question is, he wants to know, right? So how much he has to invest every year in order to earn how much? 1 crore rupees. In order to earn 1 crore, so how much he has to invest? So what is the one method? If you keep on changing this investment amount, say if you change 1 lakh into 1 lakh 50,000 rupees, 1 lakh into 1 lakh 50,000. So it shows that 1 crore, say it shows more value, right? 1 crore 8 lakh 7,000 rupees. So we have to do trial and error method. Say instead of 1 crore, if 1 lakh 50,000, say 1 lakh 25,000. Every year, if we change 1 crore 25,000, so again 90 lakh rupees. So how do we arrive the exact annuity value or the exact, right, yearly value, so that Mr. X will get the Mr. X will get the how much? 1 crore value. So for that purpose, right, we have goal seeking formula. So what you're supposed to do, just copy paste these operations as it is, you can copy paste it, right? Same formula, everything will be remain same, no changes. So the formula, everything remains same. What you do is you go to quickly data, what if analysis, instead of data table, you just go to data, what if analysis, goal seek approach. In this goal seek approach, so set value. What is the value you have to set? This is the value to be set. So how much this value? You are giving cell reference of future value, how much you want, you have to manually enter the value 1 crore, 1 crore rupees. Which cell to be changed? So annuity value, yearly value, just click ok, right? So click ok. So directly you are arriving the value of 1 crore. In order to earn 1 crore rupees after 20 years, every year Mr. Y has to invest, how much he has to invest? So one lakh 38,787 rupees. Exactly 1,38,787 rupees if we invest every year in systematic invest plan, assuming 12% interest rate, 12 percentage interest rate for a period of 20 years. Exactly, you will earn 1 crore rupees. So this is the what goal seeking operations in Excel in order to know any required value. Assuming here 12%, 12 percentage and 20 years remain same. Only these two values are changed. Thank you very much for watching this channel, watching this video. Please subscribe this channel to watch more videos. Thank you very much.